Welcome back, Diecast fans from around the world. Today we're unboxing something awesome. This isn't your average Civic. It's the Hot Wheels Honda Civic Custom from the Asada Race Garage. The JDM details are insane, but there's one thing that's kind of disappointing. Let's check it out. Starting from the blister, Classic J import style. Bright blue card, full car artwork, and a perfectly displayed casting. It's number 204 out of 250 and 10 out of 10 in the J import subseries. That makes it the final one in the set. Now, let's crack it open. Wow, the stance is aggressive. Yellow front wheels, black rear slicks, matte blue body, and full Asada Race Garage livery. Up front you get crazy detail. Printed intercooler custom aero. But when you turn it around, there's absolutely no rear light detail. Just a plain back end, which is kinda disappointing considering how great the front looks. Some taillight paint or decals would have taken it to the next level. Even so, it's still one of the cleanest Hot Wheels Civics released this year. The build is inspired by the legendary Civic EG6 used in Time Attack and Toge racing. And this casting is a tribute to Ryu Asada, one of the most iconic Hot Wheels designers ever. So what do you think? Is this a must-have, or does that missing taillight detail ruin it for you? Let me know in the comments. Hit like, share this with other JDM fans, and don't forget to subscribe for more Diecast reviews every week. This is Diecast Diorama. Catch you in the next one. Where are you watching from? Let us know, and don't forget to subscribe for more Diecast awesomeness.